How can you adjust your sprint or flow cycle when the scope changes? Introduction. Adapting your sprint or flow cycle when the scope changes is crucial for maintaining agility and responding effectively to evolving requirements. Whether you follow Scrum, Kanban, or another Agile framework, remember that the key is to be responsive, maintain open communication, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Adjustments should be made with a focus on delivering value to the customer despite changing circumstances. Here are some general strategies you can consider. For Scrum, sprint review and retrospective. Conduct a thorough sprint review to understand the impact of the scope change on the current sprint goals. Use the retrospective to gather insights on what worked well and what could be improved, considering the scope change. Reassess priorities. Work with the product owner to reassess and reprioritize the backlog based on the updated scope. Consider reprioritizing user stories and tasks to align with the new objectives. Sprint planning. During the next sprint planning session, incorporate the lessons learned from the retrospective. Adjust the sprint goals and commitments to reflect the revised scope and priorities. Communication. Ensure clear communication with the team about the reasons for the scope change and the adjustments made. Foster an open environment for feedback and suggestions. For Kanban, visualizing work. Update your Kanban board to reflect the changes in scope. This might involve moving or reprioritizing items. Use swim lanes or other visual indicators to highlight the changes. WIP limits. Review and adjust work in progress. WIP limits based on the modified scope. Consider temporarily relaxing WIP limits to accommodate the increased workload. Daily stand-ups. Enhance communication during daily stand-ups to keep the team informed about changes and to identify potential impediments. Continuous improvement. Emphasize the continuous improvement aspect of Kanban. Encourage the team to discuss and implement improvements based on the scope changes. General strategies. Flexibility. Embrace change as part of the development process. Be prepared to adapt plans and processes as needed. Foster a culture that values flexibility and responsiveness. Collaboration. Encourage collaboration between team members, product owners, and stakeholders to quickly address and adapt to scope changes. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop for continuous improvement. Regularly review and adjust processes based on the team's experience. Documentation. Keep documentation up to date to reflect the current state of the project. This includes updating user stories, acceptance criteria, and any other relevant documentation. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Grab a pencil or computer and happy writing. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.